What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. If this isn't your first time, welcome to I'm Just Tech, the channel where I teach you about all things beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. And in today's video, I'm here with another Discord tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add server stats to your Discord server. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. You want to go to your browser and you want to type in server stats bot.com. It's already popping up, and this is a bot, so it'll just do everything for you. We'll get more into it once we add it to our Discord server, but you want to come over here and click on invite bot. And so you want to choose what server. I already have it added to my personal Discord server, so I'm going to add it to the test server, but you choose whatever server you want to add it to, and then you want to hit continue. I would recommend leaving all of these checked and hit authorize. Make sure you're a human, and it should be added to your server. So now I'm going to head over to Discord and make sure that the bot made its way over there. So as you can see, it's over here just for like organization purposes and other purposes as well, but mainly like for organization purposes. For me, if it's a bot, as soon as I add it, I like to make sure that I give it the bot role. You want to right click, scroll down, go to roles, and this is bot. Just so you don't get confused and you know what is what, because whenever you add a bot to your Discord server, it's not going to automatically put it in the bot role. Now let's go through and set up this bot. So me personally, whenever I'm setting up a new bot, I personally like to have a channel which is typically called bot commands, to where I can just keep everything in there. And that way, if I need to refer back to it, it's all in the same channel. And I don't have, like, the way I set up a bot, I don't have it in different channels. So I have everything in the same channel, if that makes sense. So I would advise doing that. So bot commands right here. And so now we're going to set up our bot that we just installed, or we just invited to the channel. So to set this one up, you want to type s/setup, no space, and hit enter. And it's not working, so you probably have to give it permission. I was wondering why it wasn't working. It's not s/setup, it's just /setup, and you guys can see it pops up right here. But if you're not sure what the prefix or the starting symbol is for that certain bot, I would recommend just going over to the bot and either clicking it, what the commands are, because 9 times out of 10 it'll usually tell you. Or you can go to the website where you got the bot and it'll have a list of the commands on there as well. But we're gonna do /setup, and for channel, it's just asking what type of channel you want it to be. Personally, for me, I like it to be a text channel. I don't need it to be a voice channel, even though it's recommended. So I'm going to make it a text channel. I'm going to hit enter, and now it's getting everything ready. And once it's done, it'll pop up in the very top left. So you give it a few seconds after you hit enter, and the setup has been completed. Counters automatically update with a 10-minute delay. By default, that's just saying that every 10 minutes it updates. So the numbers are updated every 10 minutes. I would recommend just leaving it at that. So I'm going to scroll all the way up to the top left. And as you can see, my server stats are here. It kind of breaks it down. Total members is 2, which is me and the bot we just added. Members is 1, which is me. And bots is 1, which is server stats. So that's how you add this to your server stats. You know, you don't need it, it's not mandatory, but you know, I personally like it just so I can kind of keep track, because who wants to go through and count how many people you have in your server? Like that's no fun. So just make it easy on yourself. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any specific tutorials you want to see, leave it down in the comment section below and I will check that out. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.